its functions have evolved, and it has worked. It has learned to work successfully with other molecules during this 3 billion year evolution. And of course, one of the molecules with which it collaborates is glutathione, and it does influence glutathione. But the antioxidant activity of melatonin is extremely diverse. It, in fact, is a very good radical scavenger. There are other radical scavengers, vitamin C, vitamin E, and so forth, but melatonin is superior to those. But beyond that, it stimulates antioxidative enzymes, especially in mitochondria, and it also removes free radicals and prevents the degeneration of the mitochondria. And why this is so important is mitochondria are really the center of the action within a cell. In other words, there's strong evidence that aging, frailty of aging, senescence of cells as we age relate to molecular damage at the level of the mitochondria, and melatonin seems to be very efficient at protecting mitochondria from that damage. There's a host of studies, a large host of studies, including some in the human, where if you give melatonin to induced heart attack in animals or an accidental heart attack in humans, you can preserve or reduce the amount of damage that occurs in the heart. There's a very famous cardiologist in the Canary Islands, Professor Dominguez Rodriguez, who I work with, and we, about 3 years ago, published a paper where we infused melatonin directly into the heart after the vessel was opened, and of course that reduced cardiac damage by roughly 40%. We just published a paper again with this same cardiologist showing that if people who are potentially suffering with heart failure because of a damaged heart, they survive better and longer if they are given melatonin on a regular basis. It's a small study. It's only been done this one time, but I think that would be a worthwhile field to really exploit.